So today's video is gonna be about the police officer. We have the little nasty sodomite girl. They suck off in rifle. And when I mean rifle, I mean rifle in gun rifle. Lick you off with our tongue and all these things. I won't even insert that type of video in my YouTube channel because I don't condone fuckeries. And I don't put shit up for views and shits and giggles here on YouTube. I put up stuff for our people to have real conversations. For people to have real intellectual conversation. And focus on what we need to do to improve not only our people but also our culture and our country. So, Acting Police Commissioner Novlet Grant has reacted with contempt to a video of a policeman allowing a woman to perform oral sex on his M16 rifle. The video, which has been making the rounds on social media, shows a woman using the tip of her tongue to caress the rifle. What a thing. Head of Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communication Unit Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay said the acting commissioner sent out an internal message to the members of the force telling them that that kind of behavior was outrageous. The difficulty with the video is that we are not able to identify the individual, she said. If the person is identified, then severe actions will be taken, including dismissal. So, if the lady isn't identified, then nothing is going to come of this. Then the police is going to go scotch-free. And nothing will come of it, basically. And this is why I feel like police have an authority complex. Because they do stuff like this and get away with it. They get away with it on every degree, on every angle, on every basis. Whether it's freaking local police or soldier or whatever the hell, as far as Jamaican Constabulary Force is concerned, with a shit ton load of stuff. So basically, the acting police commissioner is saying that if the girl is not identified, then this officer will go scotch-free. He will still get his pay. He will not be suspended. Nothing will come of the story, is what she's trying to say, which I find is a load of bullshit. Okay? A load of crap. Because if you're a police officer and you're sent to a party to go be a security guard or to make sure that people are following the rules or parking in the same place, there's supposed to be a certain level of professionalism, a certain level of authority, a certain level of conscience, a certain level of there's supposed to be some level of professionalism in the police unit and the police force in Jamaica. Allowing a young woman to lick off your rifle, I guess he was in a different dimension. He enjoy so much. He forget say, yo, me a police and me in a me uniform, and you're disrespecting the uniform that you're given to protect and serve the people because they have one girl that give oral sex to your rifle. Like, who does that? Would I love for somebody please tell me, like, who does that? I feel like he should be made an example, because if him can get away with this, if he can get away with this, imagine behind closed doors and no video phone and no party, what else they're getting away with. These people have legitimate proof of his action, of this police action. They have pictures, video footage of this girl. You can't tell me so she that hard to find. You can't tell me you can't find where the police officer was stationed or was supposed to be patrolling or supposed to be doing their job that day and that night, and which party I keep, and find who's connected and who applied for a party permit for this specific party. And it is all over social media. make sure somebody on social media say, me did the party, this, that, XYZ, blah, blah, blah. It's not that hard to find out who that girl is. And I feel like he should be made an example in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, because this is wrong. This is so wrong on so many levels. It literally disgusted me watching it when I saw the video. Like, literally. This I get and do it, what, how them clean them gun and the amount of germs that go down our throat. God no. And this Jamaica gone too. First I did sit down palm buckle and stuff buckle down your throat and light your crotches on fire. Now woman they suck off rifle. Really? And that we gone down too. It's a shame and disgrace, literally. Not only on her behalf, but also on the police behalf. Oh, if you get one suck off your rifle, make you suck off your rifle, and that's how they whore and get us. He is a police officer. He should maintain a certain level of professionalism and authority. He's disrespecting his uniform, he's disrespecting his unit, he's disrespecting Jamaica's government, he's disrespecting the commissioner, he's disrespecting everybody that's directly and indirectly involved with him. He's disrespecting his family, because if me don't know. I don't know. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Honestly, I just think it's disgusting. I just think it's just a big shame and disgrace from both the girl part and from both the police officers part. And I feel like if the police commissioner wanted to do her job and actually dismiss this police officer, she would. But she don't want to do it because I guess she don't see what's wrong with it. Or she's pretending that she sees what's wrong, but she really don't. Because if she wanted to dismiss him or suspend him, she would find a reason, and she would find this girl, and she would do everything in her power to actually get him suspended and teach him a lesson, and also teach the rest of the Jamaican Constabulary Force a lesson. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. This one, okay? This one. Here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuce. Love y'all.